So hi, I found this very odd power supply part of a computer, and if you will look, this is 500 watts, so it's pretty okay. But what is most interesting is that after so many years everything was full of a lot of dust, and after I used the vacuum cleaner it still have some problems, so I will try to fix it. You can see that the fan is not rotating, it is stuck, so I guess it all depends because of stuck dust inside. We'll see if I can remove it and maybe put some grease or oil or something to fix it. And also what I noticed is that some of the capacitor almost exploded, so maybe this is the first thing to take care of. If you will see this, I think it's 200 or 2000, I don't know, I will have to remove it, but you can see that it is already started to almost to explode because of heat or something, I don't know. So many years the capacitor done their function, so I will try to take everything apart and fix them, and then we'll see if I will succeed. Also, I am not sure if this is rust on the screws here or it's something else. Maybe it is just a glue, red glue or something. It looks maybe red glue. So I will disconnect everything and see. Wow, a lot of dust. It's very dirty and ugly, but never mind. I'll start to take it apart. Looks like just 4 screws on the sides. Where did this come from? Gee. Okay. Okay, so minus on this side of one of the capacitor. I think this is the pins. Yes. Look at this. Almost exploded. 2210 watts. No problem, I find something. But I guess that 1000 will be good enough. Anyway, I don't have another part, so no other option right now. Of course, it's not good to connect other value, but this is what I have, so I don't have any other solution right now that it's better. A bad capacitor is just very bad. You should replace it. This is one. Second is here, somewhere, probably here, yes. Same problem. Probably this is on. I'm going to do right now. Yes. I'm just looking at the temperature. This is 101 degrees. This is also, so it's okay because there is a heat inside the power supply, and you want to make sure that not because of heat this component will stop working. Of course, not a lot, just I put very little oil. Still not the best. Okay, I will remove everything out and try to fix it better, because this is one of the basic things that cause it to be more silent and operate better. Okay, I will clean it and then try to install everything back. Haha! Do you see how it works now? This is how it should be. This is how it should look. This is great. So done it dramatically. Okay. Now let's put everything back and see what we have. So we need to connect the green with the black. So let's power it on. Nothing explode. This is the connector. The green is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fourth, probably to the third. Why does it stop? Maybe need. So it needs to be connected all the time. Okay, looks like it is working. Let's check the power. So basically what is most interesting is the 5 volts, of course, and the 12. So let's check it up. So 5, 3, 5 and 3. It is probably 3.3, so this is a little up, but I think it is okay, because under load, of course, it will reduce the power. Let's see about this connector. This is the 12. Okay, so it looks like it is working. And of course some other voltage on this connector probably. Let's maybe go and check them. So starting from the minus, we have 5 and 5 and 5 and nothing, probably the nothing is of course the ground. 3.4, 12, 3.4, 3.4, anyway everything looks okay to me. Okay, that's all. Thank you and bye.